Hey, my geniuses! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge is going to be full of cool beats, rhythm, and pure meow-jikel energy. It's Try Not to Sing, Gabby's Dollhouse edition. This is all about fun, tune, and a little dollhouse groove. Let's get ready, turn your volume up high, and dive right in. Round 1. Try Not to Sing.
And look, I even have some new friends. But Meerkat needs our help. It wouldn't be right to leave this. We come alive in this collab. Kitty, 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 no magic. Kitty, no, kitty, 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 no magic. We gotta get you a new dress. Nothing but the best will do. And you need way more than pinch on my left, pinch on my right. Grab Tammy's hand and hold on. And come fly with us. If you wanna live in the meow, let me hear you say me. Pinch on my right. Grab Tammy's hand and hold on tight. Today, I'm so excited. The sun is shining. Shake your tail from left to right. From left to right. When we do the dollhouse world, it's Gabby's world. Gabby's have the time of our nine lives. Let's go for a ride. I'm a taxi or a train, a fire engine or a super pedal to the metal. Get ready to fly. Let's go for a ride.
Party going real quick. A kitty titty machine and a music tree full of my favorite. Here's the catch, kitty cat. You're playing with your tush. Have you heard the news? We found the groove. And now with the music in you, there's nothing.
Do it your way.
Keep it up.
You're doing great. That's jump. You're fantastic. Live it up and dance like a Gabby Cat. Dance like a Gabby Cat. Show the world you can move like that. Dance. And with you is the best getaway. When every kitty's meow. Meow. Let's take a holiday. Holiday. Lovely world, fizzy, foamy color swirls. My lovely world, fizzy, foamy color swirls. Science of brand new discovery each day. Science of brand new discovery each day. Fantastic. Meow, meow, meow. Your bubble. Add some zest. Put your spot skills to the test. Scientific. You make us feel terrific. Wouldn't change a thing about you. 'Cause you wanted me. Bring you day. And you're the only you there's ever gonna be. Treat yourself to that sweet sunshine. French toast with the most. Cherries and berries, gotta have them everywhere. Help yourself to anything you find. It's free gold time. Up and come along with your kitty-rific costumes. Halloween, 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 it's a masquerade. Queen in the air. Moving, grooving, we got costumes. Kindness, joy, and cheer. It's our favorite time of year. Happy holidays for your cats who love to play. Giving and the singing, it's a Gabby Cat holiday. Thoughts are racing, and my heart beats fast. And I'm feeling I can take a breath to ease my mind and take it slow. All will come together. Yes, it's better when you just.
Round 2. Guess who's singing? Can you get it right at the beginning? Bingo! It's Gabby's best friend, Pandy Paws. Which character is singing right here? Do you know the name? Right. It's Meerkat. This one is easy. You got this. I knew it. You're amazing. That's Gabby singing her theme. Another jam is up. Would you save Sprinkle Party instead of Roll With It?
Every day is a sprinkle. And make it our own. We can do anything now.
One more time. Which character is singing right here?
Who's throwing buttons?
That's Vera. She's got a gorgeous voice.
Who's throwing buttons?
Any idea of this character's name?
This house can do anything.
Precisely. That's Chumsley.
This house can do anything.
DJ Catnip's dropping another beat. The Music in You versus I Love a Rainbow.
Making the rope up makes them all jump and dance. With the music in you, you can.
When we're together, yeah, we know we make it a brighter day.
If you choose the Music in You, hit the like button, and if it's I Love a Rainbow, smash that subscribe button. What is this goofy song, and can you tell who's singing this?
Kitty, 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 no magic. Kitty, no, kitty, 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 no magic.
Oh yeah, that's the Gnome song, also sung by gnomes.
No, kitty, 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 no magic. Kitty, no, kitty, 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 no magic.
That's the Pinch song, but who's singing? Can you help me out?
Pinch on my left, pinch, pinch on my right.
Oh, you're brilliant. That's Gigi.
Pinch on my left, pinch, pinch on my right.
Seems like a naughty voice. Can you guess his real name?
You know, if you think about it, none of this would have happened without me.
Absolutely correct. It is Cat Rat.
You know, if you think about it, none of this would have happened without me.
Choose your song in the Gabby movie. Would you choose a PT or the main theme of Gabby's Dollhouse? One of our protagonists? What is her name?
Need the dollhouse to play, Chumsley? You have me.
Yup. This is Vera indeed.
Need the dollhouse to play, Chumsley? You have me.
Choose your cat pose. Would you do the ski-bitty meow meow pose, or you like the Keanu pose by Marlene?
I have my ways.
What a funny voice. Whose does it belong to?
I do love sweets. I like to eat them and I like to look at them.
That's right, it's Kitty Fridge.
I do love love sweets. I like to eat them and I like to look at them.
Can you guess this character's name through this voice?
A pinch on my left, pinch on my right. Grab Pandy's hand and hold.
That's right, it is our lovely Gabby.
A pinch on my left, pinch on my right. Grab Pandy's hand and hold.
The next one is this character. Recognize her voice?
My royal flowerific friends, the guests may.
This cutie voice belongs to Kitty Fairy.
My royal flowerific friends, the guests may.
Okay, Slicers, 2 teams here, but you must delete one. Which would you choose here?
With the Gabby Cats, you can't go wrong. Halloween, oh, meow, 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 meow. Christmas time's the best. Every day is a sprinkle party.
Making the rope thump makes them all jump and dance. With the music and you can light up a room.
The left side or the right side should go, can you tell me? How about this one? Can you guess the name of this character?
I have my ways.
You're nailing this. It truly is Baby Box.
I have my ways.
Another one's coming right up. Any familiar to you?
This situation calls for a little extra vroom.
This is Carlita. Did you guess this right?
This situation calls for a little extra vroom.
Would you choose Marlene to be your own pet? Yes or no? Whose adorable voice does this belong to?
Looks like Cakey got baked. What are we gonna do?
Ahaha, that's Cakey Cat, so cute.
Looks like Cakey got baked. What are we gonna do?
Another interesting character, guess the name of him, will ya?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is not it, kitty cats!
That's DJ Catnip.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is not it, kitty cats!
I can't find anything familiar to this voice.
Activate. Kitty Rangers. Meow, meow, meow.
Oh, right, that's the Kitty Rangers.
Activate. Kitty Rangers. Meow, meow, meow.
Can you help me guess the word from those scrambled letters? It's the word meowgical. You truly are meowgical. This seems quite hard. Can you find the correct owner of this voice?
Okay! I'm a tough cookie.
This character is Cookie Bobby.
Okay! I'm a tough cookie.
Any idea about the name of this character?
I think that everyone can play, but not everyone does.
It's Grandma Gigi. Well done.
I think that everyone can play, but not everyone does.
Next up is this voice. Whose voice is this comes from?
You said we would be together forever, but you stopped playing with me.
That's Chumsley's voice. I love him so much.
You said we would be together forever, but you stopped playing with me.
Let's keep the rhythm going. Spa Science versus a Gabby Cat holiday.
Spa Science, get a reaction.
Can you guess the correct name of this character here?
And Little Bopper is the smart one.
Incredible! This is Bob.
And Little Bopper is the smart one.
For sassy tone this character got here, can you guess his name?
Oh, Gabby, it was horrible. Some really fashionable cat lady.
Yup, this is, again, Cat Rat.
Oh, Gabby, it was horrible. Some really fashionable cat lady.
You made it through the Meow Jekyll Try Not to Sing challenge, and I honestly think that's impossible, right? Those Gabby's Dollhouse tunes were way too catchy to resist. Until next time, keep shining, keep grooving, and stay Meow Jekyll. Quiz Slice out.